Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. If you're new to my channel, I do educational activities to teach kids English and Tamil phonics and also about the country's flags and facts in a Montessori way. So in this video, I've just made a handmade grammar worksheets which I wanted to share with you. So this can be taught to a kid from the first grade uh, and also to older kids. Okay. So first I have taken the topic of the forms of verbs. For that I have prepared this sheet where I mentioned the base verb, okay, and then the past simple, past participle, present participle, third person singular, present simple, that is V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, and the number of forms of verb is mentioned here. Okay, so for example, if I am taking the regular verb like work, then the past simple is worked, past participle is worked, present participle is working, and then the V5 is works, that is a third person singular. It will vary according to the last letter of the verb. You have to add an S or ES or IES. Okay, so like that I've given some examples of the verb forms. Okay, so in the next page the child has to do, I have given the heading and also the verbs here. So the child has to fill all these columns with the verb forms. Okay, so the next activity is match the noun with the correct verb to complete the sentence. So I have just given a matching of the verb sentences. So here all the nouns are given here and then they have to match it here. For example, see duck. So duck swims in the pond. So the child will match it with the correct sentence. Okay. So the next one is color the noun in pink and verb in yellow. So I have just given an outline and I filled the noun and the verb. So the child has to color this in pink and then the verb in yellow. The next one is fill in with the correct form of verb. So here also I have given the 5 forms of the verb and I have just left some spaces to fill the verb. So here it will be the past participle is missing. So cry, cried. So this also will be cried, crying, and then cries. So since the last letter is Y, you have to add an IES. So CRIES. Okay. So like that, the child will complete the rest of the blanks. And then the next one is join the 3 forms of the verbs. So I have just drawn some circles and written all the 3 forms of the verb, first 3 forms, V1, V2 and V3. So and I have done an example also. So for eat is a V1 and then the child has to find out the V2. So V2 is ate, that is a past participle, and then this is eaten. Okay, so that is a V3. So the child has to match the 3 circles and then write V1, V2, V3. Sorry, this is the past simple and V3 is the past participle. Okay, so like that the child will find, suppose if it is for jump, so it will find out what is the simple past, jumped, and then the past participle is also jumped. So from here the child will draw the lines and match these 3 circles, join the 3 circles. Okay, so this is the next one. And then the next activity is cut and stick the slips in the correct column. So for this what I have done is, so I have just written first person singular, first person plural, second person singular or plural, then third person singular, and then third person plural. Okay, so here for this what I have done is I have just taken a paper and used this stencils, so you need not use this. If you don't have, you are just form any circle or just any design which your kid may be interested. And then I've used this stencil to form these designs, and in each one I have just written either a sentence or a pronoun. Okay, so you must answer. You left early, she is a dancer, like that. I've just made some designs. What the child will do is first person singular. So what is the first person singular here? So that is I. Okay, so then the child will cut this shape and then stick it here. Okay, like that. They knew the way, so that will come under third person plural. Okay, so the child will cut this and stick here. Okay, so we is first person plural, so the child will cut this umbrella shape and then stick it here, first person plural. Okay, so like that. So if your child is very small, if it is in a first grade, if the child is not able to cut it, so you can cut this and keep it in a cover and give it to them. Okay, so this is this activity. And the next activity is the B form verbs, because B form has 8 forms. Other verbs and all, it has only 5 forms, but the B form verbs alone has 8 forms. So that I've written again. And then the chart to remember is this. So I, he, she, it. I means am, he, she, it means it will be is followed by is, and then they, you, we, it will be are. Okay, so that is a V5 of the B form verb. So that to remember that I have given it here. And then fill in the appropriate fill in with the appropriate B form verb. Okay, simple present exercise. So that I have given some 15 blanks. So he dash in my class. So he means, so the child will see this chart if it doesn't remember. So he is. Okay, so he is in my class. So like that the child will fill all these 15 sentences. And then the next one is so this we have seen. So the next one is very interesting activity. So verb leaves. Okay, so I have just cut some color papers in a pot shape. So V1, V2, V3, and here also I have just some stuck some paper. Okay, for the stem. And then this is left out foam flower piece which I had, and this is just for fun. Okay, I've just kept a butterfly button. Okay, so now what I have done is I have also cut this into pieces, leaves. Okay, and I've written the verb, 3 verb forms. Otherwise you can just give it like this, and you can just draw and give if it is for a older student. So the child will cut it into a leaf shape, and then the child can stick it to the right pot. Okay, so suppose if this is fly, so fly is a V1 verb, so the child will keep it here. And then the past simple is flew, so the child will search for flew. So I can't, so this is flown is the past participle, and then the child will search for the flew, and then the child can stick it like this. Okay, so I have given lots of verbs here in the leaf format. So once it is done, it will be the flower with all the flower pot with all the leaves and the flower. Okay, it will look very nice. So by this you can teach them, because the basic of grammar tenses is you have to know the forms of verbs. Okay, so for that only I have done different activities to make the kid interested in it. Okay, so the next one is, so I have just taken an ice cream stick and just drawn in a triangle shape. I have taken 3 ice cream sticks. Okay, and then I have written stuck the verb here. Okay, so make sentences with simple present, simple past and simple future using the verb given in the middle. So fly, So here I have written simple present. So the birds fly. So that is simple present. Simple past means birds flew. And then simple future is birds will fly. Okay. So like that you have to form simple sentences. If your child doesn't know, you give them the sentences together. The child will write to which tense it is. Okay. So like that, with fly you have to make this, and with this you have to write go. So go is an irregular verb, so it will be I go to the park, and then future is I will go to the park, and then simple present will be, so sorry, this is simple past, so I went to the park. So simple present is I go to the park. Okay, so like that the child will do. And then the next activity, the same way, ice cream stick only I have taken, but here what you have to do is you have to use the V1, V2 and V3 form of verb to make sentences with the verb cry. Okay, so cry, cried and cried, like that. So 3 sentences with this verbs. And then here it is break, so it is break, broke and then broken. Okay, so like that the child has to form simple sentences. If your child is very small, then you should help them with these sentences. Okay, so the next one is also similar. Make sentences with he, they and I using simple present perfect tense, using the verb given in the middle. So this is, if it is dance, so you are going to use a simple present perfect. Okay, so present perfect, you know that have will come. So here it will be I have danced. Okay, so he has danced, and then here it will be they have danced. Okay, like that the child will fill up. If your child knows, you do it, or you stop it with that V1, V2, V3 exercise itself. Okay, if a child is an older student, then you can make them do all these exercises. Then the last one is make sentences using simple present continuous, simple present perfect, simple present perfect continuous. Okay, because there are 4 forms in each tenses. So to cover that, I have prepared the same ice cream sticks in a square format. I have just drawn the outline. So they have to form sentences with the verb teach. Okay, in all the forms. Okay, so this is the one. Then the last exercise is fill in the blanks in correct tense and stick to match the roof. Okay, so here I have just cut it in a triangle format to make a roof of a house. So and written simple present, and I have also taken some color papers and cut it into a square shape. So the child can take any sentence. So he dashed the car, so the verb to use is to wash. So you can match it. First is, it is simple present, so you have to fill the blank with a simple present tense. Okay, so he washes. So if it is he, then you have to add es or ies. Okay, so to the last word, so as it is wash, so you have to write washes. So he, and it is in simple present, so he washes the car. Okay, so like that the child can take the next slip and match it to the second one with the tense mentioned in the roof. Okay, so simple present perfect. So like that, we dash for 2 hours, so it is present perfect, so you have to add an have. Okay, so we have shopped for 2 hours. Okay, so like that the child, so this will make them to do the work interestingly. At the same way, again and again they are revising the tenses in a different format. Okay, this will make them thorough, and when they want to write a own story, okay, or perform a speech, this practice will help them a lot. Okay, so these are my first part of the grammar video in tenses. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe. If you want this in a printed format, please WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you.